Hey students, welcome to the science class. Let's understand today what are satellites. Anyone who can guess what are satellites? Let's understand what are satellites, students. They are basically these small heavenly bodies, or you can say a celestial bodies, that revolve around the planet. These satellites can be natural and artificial satellites. The moon is a natural satellite of the earth which has no light of its own. Still, it shines because it reflects the light of the sun. Artificial satellites are those satellites which are made by the human students. As I hope you have seen the movie Mangal Mission, they were making the artificial satellites to that is known as Mangalyaan. Please have a look on the second picture. They have shown you the artificial satellite. There are different artificial satellites made by the humans. Let's understand the few terms: meteors, meteoroids, comet, asteroids. First of all, let's understand these terms. Asteroids. They are the they are the rocks of various sizes which revolve around the sun in the white space between the orbits of planets of Mars and Jupiter. As you can see in this picture, these asteroids are the rocky body smaller than a planet that orbits around the sun. And next is meteoroids. They are formed when the asteroids collides with each other, and when it enters into the Earth atmosphere, which is called meteor, it burns and seen as a strike of light called as a shooting star. In Hindi, we call it as Toota Hua Tara. Please have a look in the meteoroids over here. Rocky or the metallic fragment of an asteroid, comet, or planet. As this is the strike, meteor, streak of light seen when a meteoroid heats up in the atmosphere. How it looks like. Next, let's understand about they are very small objects. Let's understand the comets now. The very small objects made up of gases, dust particles revolve around the sun in elliptical orbit. They also have a long glowing tail. The example is Halley comet. Please have a look in this picture also. You can see in this picture the comet how it looks. Icy body that release gases as it orbits the sun. It is revolving around the sun. Now, students, try to solve these extra questions, differentiate between planets and stars, define universe, comets, which device is used to see planets and other heavenly bodies, why Mars is called a red planet. Thank you, students.